Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax returns for DoorDash. As a DoorDash driver, you are an independent contractor, not an employee. This means you are responsible for your own taxes, including self-employment taxes. We'll cover the essential forms you need, like Form 1099 NEC, and how to report your income accurately. Understanding these basics is crucial for a smooth tax season. Let's dive into the specifics to help you navigate your DoorDash tax filing with confidence. Accurate record keeping is vital for DoorDash tax filing. You'll need to track all your income, which is typically reported on Form 1099 NEC if you earn over $600. More importantly, meticulously track your expenses. Common deductions include vehicle mileage, car maintenance, phone bills, and insulated bags. These deductions significantly reduce your taxable income. Use a spreadsheet or an app to log everything consistently throughout the year. This proactive approach saves time and money during tax season. When filing your DoorDash taxes, you'll primarily use Schedule C, profit or loss from business, to report your income and expenses. This form is part of your personal income tax return, Form 1040. If you expect to owe at least $1,000 in taxes, you'll likely need to pay estimated quarterly taxes using Form 1040-S. Remember, the main tax deadline is typically April 15th. Missing deadlines can result in penalties, so plan ahead or file an extension if needed. To avoid surprises, it's wise to set aside a portion of your DoorDash earnings for taxes, typically between 25% and 35%. This helps cover both income tax and self-employment tax. Utilizing tax software or a qualified tax professional can simplify the process and ensure you claim all eligible deductions. They can offer personalized advice tailored to your specific situation. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Taking these steps will make your tax journey much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.